Welcome in all my friends, Lazy Retired Granny here, and today I have an unboxing of a product review from Fansales. Now they did send this to me at no charge so I could show it off to you, and I am excited for this. So let's open this up, and thank you Fansales for sending this. So I know we are getting ready for the Christmas season, ordering things up. So yeah, it's time to get in on all these Christmas things before they get sold out, right? So this is called Christmas Socks Advent Calendar. Yeah, so you can open up the first day to the 24th day of Christmas. So, because it's not Christmas right now, I'm going to show you what you get in here. This is so fun. Now, I think this would be good to do with maybe your grandkids or your kids, your spouse, or yourself. So for me, it will be myself. And we will open this up on December 1st through the 24th, but we're going to take a sneak peek what's in here. Oh my goodness. So I hope if I open this that I can get everything back in again. Oh dear. Okay. I pressed down on that. This sells for $25.28 as of today, which is September 24th, 2025. Oh my goodness, look at all this. Oh my goodness, look at all these socks in here. So you can have a different pair of socks to wear every day in December. I just thought this was so fun. So let's just take one out. So, oh my gosh, isn't that cute? These are really nice material. Wow. Okay, so they're kind of stretchy. I think these are like ankle socks. Now, I will tell you, and I didn't realize this, each one appears to be a different design. Now, on their webpage, when I looked this up, it did show all the different socks that are on here. So so each day you must get one sock. So you actually get, it looks like 12 pairs of socks. I'm going to assume that's the way it is. 4, 8, well, let's see. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. That must be what it is. So you get 12 pairs of socks. So you're going to have to wait each day to get the other pair of sock. Yeah, they're all different. Wow. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but they're all different. That's pretty cool. Now, I wear about a size 8 women's shoe. That has good stretch to it. So I'm just going to try this on. I'm not going to show you, but I'll tell you whether it fits my foot or not. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, they're like ankle socks. Ooh, they're nice and comfy. You know, I like my socks. Ooh, yeah. They're nice and snug on my feet. They're not loose. But they're comfortable. And they're not too tight up above. So yeah, that's nice. Sure don't need them here today, I'll tell you that, because it is warm here. So what do you think? I think this is kind of cool. I'll see if I can get that back in. So, yeah, so you have to wait to put on the sock. Just something fun to do during December. So, yeah, so I guess, you know, you could cheat and maybe wait and do like the 12 days of Christmas so that you open up to whichever one you want. You could mix it up. Yeah. So actually you could start this on like, let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so you'd start on the 13th. No, that doesn't make any sense. You'd have to do 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I guess that's right, because there's 6 across 9. Okay, so on the 13th of December, you could open up 2 squares and do the 12 days of Christmas. I think that's what I'll do. Then you'd have some socks to wear for that day. What do you think? Oh my goodness. Yeah. So I will share the link down below for you. Now let's see, I need to put this in the right way so that the socks pop up. And by the time December comes, I'll forget what was in here. Let me see if I can get this back in without... Yeah, but I think even older kids, if you have grandkids or whatnot, these socks would probably fit them. Because they fit mine perfect. They're, you know, they're a little tight, but I kind of have that boot, so... yeah, so what do you think of that? So I will share the link down below along with the website. And let me see if they have any other calendars. Let me type that in. Okay. Yeah, I would like to get some more of these Advent calendars. Oh, now this one, let's see. Hang on. I'm getting overexcited here. Oh yeah, they do. They have a Stitch one. They have animals. You know, and you can use these for, some of these for any season. They do have some from 2024, which, you know, that doesn't matter. You can use it for 2025. Oh, they have a Book Lovers Advent Calendar. The sock one. Ooh, they got one here that has cars in it. That'd be a fun one. I'd like that one. Let's see. I'm kind of interested in... Here is a calendar. This almost looks like it is. They have the calendar in here that we got at Hobby Lobby, the wall calendar. It's in here. It says Christmas crafts. Wow. It's $13.47. Well, wow, I didn't realize that they had... I'm going to put you on pause for just a minute. I got to check this out. Okay, they do have this one that we got at Hobby Lobby that says Christmas Crafts. It's in here. So if you missed out on these calendars, you can go to Fan Sales and buy them. Wow, I didn't realize that. Yeah, and on here they're $13.47. Exact same one. Well, that is very interesting, I think. Okay, I went into Fan Sales site and I typed in Christmas crafts. And oh my gosh, look at everything that came up. Let's see if I can get this a little closer. Look at those cute kitties. Wow. Look at that. Cute. So they have a lot of stuff in here. It says diamond painting, 158. I want to show you this because this is the page that I went to on my computer. Aren't those beautiful? Look at that cat. Wow. Well, you guys can go in there and take a look at all of that they have in there. They also have cross stitch and did the wrong button. I wanted to show you too. Let's see. They also have all these accessories. I've got both of these marked right now. Look at that cute little fox. Yeah, so go in and check them out. Just type something in there that, you know, you want to take a gander at. But yeah, this is exciting. If you didn't get this calendar, because I know they sold out really quick over at Hoblob. Now we know Fan Sales has them. So, so let me know down below in the comments what you think of, well, at least the Advent calendar and the socks. I love it. That's going to be fun to open this up in December. So I'll probably start like, you know, the beginning of December so I can wear these socks. It'll be the 12 days of Christmas. I'm not going to be able to wait till the 13th, yeah. So we'll just do 2 a day. And we'll do 12 days of Christmas starting December 1st. So let me know if you're going to purchase this. Okay, so thanks again, Fan Sales, for sending such a great product to me. I thoroughly am going to enjoy this. So thanks for watching, and I will chat with you later.